Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. So at today's inspection, they're like, oh, we have a septic tank. We don't need to have a sewer lateral inspection. Well, here at Hawley Inspections, a sewer lateral inspection is part of every inspection, no matter what. So I did the sewer scope like I always do. And at approximately 90 yards, you can see the X right there on the ground. There's an obstruction in the line. Now, if we look on out here, you see the dig up spot out there. That's where they had a septic inspection done. All they did was dug up the lid of the tank, looked at the tank, said, oh yeah, everything looks good. Well, it's about 20 yards from there to here. There's a block in the sewer line right here, preventing the waste from getting there. So for all your inspection needs in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We don't want you to have an expensive surprise after you move in like they would have got. Have a safe and wonderful day. Thank you.